From this video, I would like to explain exercise 4.2, 5, 6, 7, 8 problems of chapter lines and angles of class 9 from AP and Telangana state boards. Hi, this is Madhubabu. Fifth problem is, in the given figure, angle PQR is equals to angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Angle PRQ, this angle. So these two angles are equal. Then prove that angle PQS, so this angle PQS and PRT, this angle PRT, should prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. How can we? It is very easy problem and important also. So given condition is given that angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Observe these two angles, angle PQR, this angle, and angle PQS, this angle. So sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. So these two angles make a straight angle. So that's why angle PQS plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degrees. It forms, they make a straight line. So these two angles are linear pair of angles. So this one take as equation 1, and angle PRT plus angle PRQ is equals to same 180 degrees. Angle PRT plus angle PRQ makes a straight line. So that's, these two lines are a pair of linear angles. Take as this equation as equation 2. In these two equations, right hand sides are equal, then automatically left hand sides will be equal. So from one end to angle PQS plus angle PQR is equals to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. Here already given angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. So angle PQR and angle PRQ same, since angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ, I cancel it, both are same, so cancel it. So the remaining angles are, therefore angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. So we have to prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. So already over. So hence, next problem is sixth problem. This is also very important problem. In the given figure, x plus y is equals to w plus z. Then prove that angle AOB is a line. Given that x plus y is equals to w plus z. Here in this diagram, x, y, z, w makes a complete angle. So sum of these four angles is 360 degrees. So x plus y plus w plus z is equals to 360 degrees. So sum of the four angles makes a complete angle. So reason is complete angle. But here already angle x plus y is equals to w plus z. So in the place of w plus z, again you take x plus y. So first x plus y as it is. In the place of w plus z, you take x plus y. That is the given condition. So again you take x plus y. That is equals to 360 degrees. So x plus y, 2 into x plus y is equals to 360 degrees. So x plus y is equals to 360 degrees by 2. That is equals to 180 degrees. So x plus y is equals to 180 degrees. x plus y means y plus x is equals to 180 degrees. Y means angle AOC. So angle AOC plus x means angle COB is equals to 180 degrees. Angle AOC plus angle COB is equals to angle AOB. So angle AOB is equals to 180 degrees. Angle AOB 180 degrees means angle AOB is a straight line. So therefore AOB is a line. So hence proved. Next problem 7. In the given figure, PQ is a line and ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. So it is a 90 degrees. And OS is another line between OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Understanding the diagram we can do easily. So take the angles, angle ROS, QS, POS only, then we can prove that easily. See how it is. Angle POS plus angle ROS is equals to 90 degrees. Why it is a 90 degrees? So the remaining it forms these all angle 3 angles forms 180 degrees. So it will be 90 degrees. So angle POS plus angle ROS making 90 degrees. Take as equation 1. Reason is right angle. Next compare these two angles. Angle QOS. Angle QOS. This is the QOS angle minus angle ROS makes a 90 degrees. So angle QOS minus angle ROS. So delete this angle, then we get 90 degrees. So angle QOS minus angle ROS is equals to 90 degrees. That is take as equation 2. This reason is right angle. From 1 and 2 right hand sides are equal, then automatically left hand sides will be equal. So then from 1 and 2 angle POS plus angle ROS is equals to angle QOS minus angle ROS. Send angle ROS this side and POS that side. Then angle ROS plus send angle minus ROS to left side. Then it will be plus angle ROS is equals to already QOS in right hand side is there. Send angle POS to right hand side. Then it will be minus angle POS. So angle ROS plus angle ROS is equals to 2 into angle ROS. That is equals to angle QOS minus angle POS. Send to that side, right hand side, then it will be angle ROS is equals to half of the angle QOS minus angle POS. So we have to prove that angle ROS is equals to half of the angle QOS minus angle POS. So this process is completed, hence proved. The last problem is 8th problem. It is given that angle XYZ is equals to 64 and XY is produced to point P. A ray PYQ bisects angle ZYP. Draw a figure from the given information. So for this problem diagram is not given, we have to draw that diagram by this given information, and we have to find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. First we have to draw the diagram by given information. it is given that angle XYZ is equals to 64 degrees. So the middle vertex is Y. So angle Y should be 64 degrees and XY is produced to point P. So by the given information, draw a diagram XY Z makes an angle 64 degrees. This is a rough diagram. X, Y, Z be 64 degrees. That means angle Y is equals to 64 degrees and XY is produced to point P. Produce means extension. So produce XY up to P. Next, YQ bisects a ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. So ZYP, this is the angle ZYP. So YQ ray bisects ZYP. That means draw a ray YQ which bisects angle ZYP. So this is the diagram by given information. Next we have to find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. XYQ and reflex angle QYP means this angle we have to find. Given that angle XYZ is equals to 64 degrees. Angle XYZ plus angle ZYP is equals to 180 degrees. These two angles 1 and 2 angles forms a straight line. So angle XYZ plus angle ZYP, these two angles are a linear pair of angles makes a straight line. So sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. Reason is linear pair of angles. Simplify it. Angle XYZ is already given 64 degrees plus angle ZYP is equals to 180 degrees. Angle ZYP is equals to 180 degrees minus 64 degrees. Angle ZYP is equals to 180 minus 64 degrees, that is 116 degrees. Angle ZYQ and angle QYP are equal. Why? Because YQ bisects angle ZYP. So therefore ZYQ is equals to angle QYP is equals to half of angle ZYP. YQ bisects YQ bisects angle ZYP, angle ZYP. That's why angle ZYQ is equals to angle QYP is equals to half of ZYP. So angle ZYQ is equals to angle QYP is equals to 116 degrees by 2. That is equals to 58 degrees. 58 degrees. So therefore angle ZYQ is equals to angle QYP is equals to 58 degrees. Now we have to find angle XYQ. Therefore angle XYQ, angle XYQ, this is the angle XYQ. Angle XYQ has two parts, that is angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. So angle XYZ is already given, that is 64 degrees, and angle ZYQ is already we found now, that is angle ZYQ is equals to 58 degrees. So that is equals to 4 plus 8 12, 6 plus 5 112 degrees. Angle XYQ is equals to 112 degrees. Next, angle QYP is equals to 58 degrees. from 1. Next we have to find reflex angle QYP. Reflex angle QYP. Reflex angle QYP is equals to 360 degrees minus angle QYP. 360 degrees minus angle QYP, that is equals to 360 degrees minus 58 degrees, that is equals to 302 degrees. 302 degrees. Therefore reflex angle QYP is equals to 302 degrees. If you like this video, please like it and share it to your classmates or friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.